The Public Safety Hero Award is presented to a police officer, firefighter, search and rescue, or related public safety emergency response personnel who has gone above and beyond the line of duty, perhaps by placing oneself in danger to save or protect the life in our community. This year's Westar Energy Public Safety Heroes are Steve Opat, Tony Cruz, Chris Turner, and Glenn Verdon.
May 8th, 2013 was a big day for Geary County attorneys Steve Opat and Tony Cruz and KBI agents Glenn Verdon and Chris Turner. Hours upon hours of work for more than a year paid off when more than 100 arrests were made in a massive drug bust that spanned Geary County, Riley County, and Shawnee County.
It was long-standing, long-winded, and pretty exhausting. We literally had officers and agents working around the clock 24/7 for almost a year.
Undertaking the biggest drug bust in decades is not easy, but relying on each other as well as the hundreds of other officers and agents involved made it possible.
There's a need for it. We hear a lot of talk about the war on drugs, how unsuccessful it is. Drugs are a real blight on the community. If you can stop drug trafficking, even for just a little while, and disrupt it, and experience has shown us, then you disrupt some other things too, and you make your community a safer place to live.
Agent Glenn Verdon, who could not show his face on camera, worked undercover in dangerous situations, but says it's the teamwork that makes or breaks an investigation.
This case, I would say in particular, for me, was gratifying for the fact that working with the Geary County Attorney's Office, mainly, the support and the prosecution that we've gotten from them has been something that we're not accustomed to.
These men accept the honor of being recognized by the American Red Cross, but they're quick to attribute the success to one another.
That's a little bit embarrassing to get an award for doing your job, but at the same time, we appreciate it because it's one of the few times that we actually get the acknowledgement that we're doing our job and that we're doing it right.
This award isn't mine. This award is the entire team. They were huge, that we couldn't have done this case without them.
Sarah Plake, 13 News.
Please welcome our award sponsor, Westar Energy, along with our 4 heroes to the stage to receive the 2014 Public Safety Hero Award.
Well, since I'm the oldest, I guess they've forced me to do their talking for them. Thank you to Westar Energy and Red Cross for this recognition. We're truly humbled to be in the presence of so many real heroes, and we're appreciative of this award, which the 4 of us agree that we share with, as you've heard, many other people. We share this award with our brothers and sisters in arms out on the streets in our communities who every day do the job of protecting and serving us. And I will tell you, I'm no hero, but I get to work with them every day, and that's my reward in life. We're very grateful for this recognition. We truly appreciate it, and we thank you very much. When you see the guys out on the street, give them a wave, let them know that you recognize them, that you appreciate what they do. We don't always hear that, as Mr. Cruz said, so this recognition is truly special for us. Thank you very much.